what a monkey would actually sound like, but that was my impersonation of a monkey. And today we're going to draw a monkey unicorn. We're going to take a unicorn and a monkey, we're going to smash them together and make a magically silly creature that loves to eat cloud-shaped bananas. Or bananas that are cloud-shaped, or clouds that are shaped like bananas. You know what I'm saying.
Here we go! Wonder Friends, Wonder Friends. It's time for Wonder Friends Show. Yeah, right.
Alright guys, all you need to draw this monkey unicorn is going to be a piece of paper, something to draw with, and just a willingness to try. It's not going to look just like mine, and that is perfect. It's going to look just like something you would draw. Instead, I am just going to help you, and you are going to make this piece your own. I can't wait to see what you do. Let's start drawing. Okay friends, we're going to draw this magical monkey unicorn creation. Now you can make your monkey as magical as you want. You can kind of add some funny goofy things to this. You can add a banana. You can do all kinds of stuff if you want to yours. I'm going to draw with these big Sharpies. I really like the way these look. These are my favorite Sharpies to draw with. If they're your favorite marker you have, feel free to do that. But we're going to start up and down. And before we get started guys, I want to remind you, you are not going to draw just like me, and that's fine. I want you to draw just like you. Just be willing to try. If you feel like you really messed up, it's okay. Just pause the video, get a new piece of paper, rewind, and just pick right back up. Nobody is going to know, and it's completely fine. Alright guys, so we're going to start right with our page up and down, and in the middle of the page, what we're going to do is we're going to start with our horn, which is just going to be this shape just like that. Upside down A, or I'm sorry, an A without the line, or upside down V, and we're going to connect it, alright? And we're going to draw a straight line on each side of that, okay? Now, I want to break this monkey down so it's very simple for us to draw, and we're going to just draw this in line form, okay? So there's a line down on each side, and we're just going to connect those two just like that, and I want you to put circles on each side. So far so good, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a big curved M across the middle. Just like that, right? So you notice the point kind of goes right underneath the horn, right? And then another one over here. Okay, now for the body, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it in a little bit because our monkey's going to be real skinny. And we're going to bring it in, we're just going to draw a little shape just like this. Now you notice that we're running out of paper, and you may be like, oh no, how am I going to make this fit? Well, we're going to make this monkey be hanging, so what we're going to do to make it fit is we're just going to curve up a leg, just like this. So we're going to put one leg like this, or one other part of the leg like that, and just draw some shapes like that. Just make some fun little shapes, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just a little bloopy here, little bloopy here, and just make it fit. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Mine's not perfect. There's no monkey that's going to be able to like grab anything with that, but guess what? I don't think anybody's going to notice, and that's okay. I'm going to draw a circle right here just to give a different place for me to color on the belly as well. Now, for the arm, I want to draw one arm up. And all I need to draw this arm is just this line just like that. Just two lines right next to each other. And for the arm down, I'm just going to draw one arm like this. And I'm just going to put some little hot dog fingers on it, and I'm going to draw it back. You can put a thumb there if you would like. And then we're going to draw a tail, because I don't know if you know this or not, monkeys have tails. Apes do not. So we are drawing a unicorn monkey, so our monkey would have tail. And you can draw any kind of tail. Put a tail in there that you would like. If you want to put like a unicorn, like a horse tail, that's fine too. Have some fun with it, guys. And for the eyeballs, we're just going to draw two circles just like this. Okay? Now I want you to color in all except a little bit on the edge. So that gives it like a little bit of like a reflective, like a real eye would have on it as well. And for the nose, it's just an upside down heart. That's all we're doing, just an upside down heart. Now, I want to put a really silly smile on this monkey. You can do the same, or if you want to put a different kind of smile, that's fine with me as well. But I'm just going to draw a big, giant smile. And I'm gonna put these little lines on the ends, which kind of shows like little dimples. And I think I really like it when like characters have like two teeth. I think it's funny, and I'm gonna put like just 2 teeth by just putting little U shapes on there. And I'm just gonna put little tiny lines on here just to kind of show that they're teeth. Now for eyebrows, we can draw one like this and one like this. You can put any kind of the brows that you want on there as well. And why did I draw this arm up like that, right? Why would I do that? I'm gonna show you right here. So instead of showing the whole hand holding something, I'm gonna show you a little trick that we can do, is if we draw, just make some little shapes like this at the top, okay? Just draw a little shape like that. And then let's just draw some little lines sticking out of that shape. And on each one of those lines that you drew sticking out, I just want you to make like a leaf shape. And a leaf shape, if you need to know, it's like a raindrop, but just, you know, upside down. And we're gonna put a couple more of these little shapes like this inside of that. And we're gonna show you why in just a minute when we start coloring it, how we make this look like that his arm is up in a tree. I'll show you how we do that. And for the inside of the ears, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line on each side, inside, and we're just gonna draw a line out like this. And that gives that idea of inside of ears. And let's put some lines on this horn as well. And then of course, you have to have a sprinkle of magic, because, you know, magical bananas and all, right? That's what this unicorn monkey would have. All right, so this is really the base of what we're going to start coloring for. If you want to put in extra details, you can do all that stuff as we start coloring. Right before I started shooting this video, I picked out some monkey colors that I thought would work really well. If you have other things that you would like to color with, like crayons or colored pencils, you can feel free to do that. But I'm going to do this right here, and I'm going to start, instead of, you know, making you sit here and watch me color and it'd be long and boring, what we're going to do is we're going to speed up the coloring process. So we are going to speed up the video for you right now. Okay friends, so as we start to wrap up, if there's any details you want to add in here, you can use your little fine point marker now to add those things in. If you want to put some little dots on the unicorn horn, maybe you want to clean up some lines or anything like that, this is the great time to do it. If you want to add any other extra little things like a belly button on here, you can add all those little things, little hair textures, anything that you feel that you need to add on this is a great time to do it. If you want to put little motion lines on here like the monkey is swinging. If you notice, when we added this color and we add a little shadow, you definitely get the idea that the monkey's just hanging from a tree branch, right? It's a way to cover up some stuff if you run out of space to make it look like you definitely are showing something is behind something. It's a great way to do it. You can add lines like this and that shows that it is swinging in, things like that. Guys, I hope you had fun drawing this. Make sure that you sign your name on this so everybody knows who made this awesome piece of art. Now, I hope you guys had a good time drawing something that was a little bit not real, right? There's no such thing as unicorns. There's no such thing as a unicorn monkey, but it was fun to make up something. We used our imagination, right? And sometimes you want to dream up these big things, but you have no clue how to start. Here's the secret. Are you ready? Get really close so you can hear really well. Just try. That's all you got to do. Just try. If you have a big thing that you want to chase or a big dream that you want to go after, it's really easy to say, I can't do it. But you know what makes it a lot harder to say I can't? Just trying one time. When you try one time, you'll realize it's not as bad as you thought it was. So what are you going to try today that maybe you think you can't do? Prove yourself wrong. That's my challenge for today. And until I see you, be the weird that you want to see in the world. See ya!
Hey Wonder Friends, I would love to see the art you create and feature it on one of my videos. With the help of an adult, take a photo of your finished art and post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to tag me so I can find it. Hey, are you looking for a signed copy of one of my books? Check out my website, wondervillestudios.com, for books, t-shirts, mugs, and more. I also do loads of school visits and would love to hear from you about scheduling a visit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun drawing lessons. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!